station. Today I prepared amazing ideas for you. Squishy phone cases. And of course all of these elements we'll make with our own hands. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'll be very happy if you do it. Well, I wish you a pleasant viewing. The first idea is an amazing panda phone case, where panda's head is a soft squishy anti-stress. And also this panda is so cool because it has a polka dot skateboard. Well, first we paint the case yellow with acrylic paint or nail polish. While it's drying, we take care of the details. Now I take white foam and warming it up using a flat iron. After that, I put it on a ball and stretch the foam sheet down with some force, holding it there for a few seconds as it cools down. And, as you can see, it took the ball shape. Perfect! We cut all the excess here. Inside the sphere, we put cotton wool or a pillow filler. Glue it to the phone case. From black foam, we cut out ears and glue them as well. Drawing a nose, smile, eyes using a black permanent marker. Now only painting left. Using blue paint, I paint a skateboard. White clouds in the top of the case. Dots on the skateboard. And finally, some pink hearts. It seems I forgot to paint the panda's body white. With a black permanent marker, I draw the contour of each painted part, and after that I paint panda's feet. I love this idea. What did we use here? A foam, cotton and paint. As a result, we get a very cool and cute case with the anti-stress toy. I advise you this idea, it's great. I'm so excited about it. This case is so cute. Because it's pink and here is a kawaii white bear, which is currently happy and that's great. We paint the case pink. When it dries, write a phrase using permanent marker. I advise you to do it like I do. First write with a pencil, because if you make a mistake, you can use an eraser. Then we need cornstarch and silicone. Join these two components to get the mass. Okay, we make the mass flat and in the middle put the filler for the pillows and close it. Roll out the oval, on one side it should be flat, so it's easier to glue it to the case and it won't look cumbersome. After 30 minutes it will harden. Since there's filler inside, we'll have an anti-stress ball, which is flat on one side, that's important. I drew a template. With its help it's much easier to make a cute bear. I'll leave it under the video. Using silicone mass according to the template, we make ears, the flat body and then the convex legs. After 30 minutes, the bear will harden and we glue it with a super glue to the case. Using acrylic paint, color in the face that I drew in advance with a pencil. Then paint ears, paws. This idea is a bit more complicated, but what a nice squishy case we get, it's very attractive. Thank you a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. See you soon and bye!